beautiful island resort of Phuket in Thailand's exotic south has many attractions for the young and the young at heart. So Phuket's famous Splash Jungle has all the ingredients for a great day out for the whole family. The water park has plenty to offer, whether you're after a relaxing day in the water or an adrenaline rush. You can enjoy thrilling rides such as the Boomerango and Super Bowl, as well as a 6-level wave pool, plus a special aqua play pool for the children. If the exhilarating rides are not quite your speed, then why not idly float around the 335 meters of lazy river? Or maybe you would prefer to treat yourself to some hydrotherapy in the spring pool. The water park draws inspiration from all corners of the world with attractions and rides themed with Mayan temples, mysterious Asia, Europe, Africa and the Americas. Men's and women's changing rooms provide lockers to keep your belongings safe, and there are plenty of food and beverage options to keep those energy levels high. Take the kids or just unleash your inner child. Splash Jungle, wet and wild fun in the sun.